Good morning. In this video, we will learn how to make things plural. Talking about more than one thing in French works just like in English. Just add S. But in French, that plural S is usually silent. In example, un chat. That is one cat. To make it two cats, it will become deux chats. Also, le, la, and le become les. In example, les garçons. That means the boys. Another example, the verb front has an S ending for both je and tu form. In this table, subject on the left and verb front in the right. If you want to say I take, you would say je prends. Now, if you want to say you take, it will be the same, tu prends. If he or she takes, it is il prend or elle prend. An example sentence is je prends l'avion. That is, I'm taking the plane. As we've learned earlier, il is he and elle is she. Now, to make them they, just add S at the end. However, they are just pronounced the same. Il and elle both mean they. Use elle for groups of only women and use il for groups of men or mixed groups. For example, in this picture, it is a boy and a girl, so we will use il. It is pronounced as ils sont étudiants because there is a boy and a girl. In English translation, it means they are students. However, in this picture, they are both girl or female, so we will use elle with S. Elles sont étudiants. That means they are students. Just a quick tip, in many French words, the final consonant is usually silent, but in some situations, you need to pronounce the sound when it is followed by a vowel or silent H. An example, les hôtels, the hotel.